It doesn't matter how much your objects cost or what they're worth. All that really matters is that you love them.
We believe that objects can be really powerful. They can express your style, but they can also tell stories from your life. Ready to talk about objects? Hi, I'm Monica.
And I'm Jill. We're the co-founders of the online design magazine Sight Unseen, and we recently released our first book called How to Live with Objects.
We're here in the West Elm Studios today to show you how to use interesting and meaningful objects to add personality to your interior.
In this space, we're going to create a living room that's simple but sophisticated and a perfect backdrop for objects. We're going to be using a lot of neutral furniture with strong graphic shapes and tonal varieties of green.
We're really excited to bring some of the ideas from our book to life in a physical space.
We have a lot to do, so let's get started.
I need to move slightly to the left. That's good. And then there should be 16 in between the two. Yeah, 18 from the bottom, so I think it's too high. The top one needs to come down a little bit. Pedestals can add so much to an interior. They help vary the heights in a room, and if you have a particularly standout or statement object, they help give it room to breathe and really put a spotlight on that object in the space.
I think the green tones in the room are really working, but because the shelves are so bright, we're going to bring in this softer hue.
I think maybe we'll go in front of the paintings. Do you think it has to have candles, though?
Absolutely not.
I think that the composition of these shelves is looking really great. I just feel like the color balance isn't quite right, so I might have to play around with a couple other pops.
I think we should move on to the coffee table and then decide if things are kind of going together.
That's amazing. Yes, absolutely. The mantle's gonna have to be a little more spare.
I think it all needs to go up a little bit.
When the art comes in, it's gonna look really bad. Bring the yellow Rawi over here, though.
I think this is too small.
Actually, hold this. What if it's
Outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute. Oh, I thought we were doing the other one.
Oh, yeah. I think we want the other tree, sorry.
It just fades into the background. Like you can't even see that it's there from over here.
It is a lot of white, though. I don't know.
That's what the objects are for. I think this is looking good. I really love the graphic pops of black.
I think it's really nicely balanced, so I'm happy with it.
Yeah, I think we're finished.
Yeah. Okay, now that we've got it where we want it, I think we should just take one final photo.
Yes.
We use a lot of color on Sight Unseen, but I've never had quite so much of it in my own home, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I actually would live in this space. Yes, good job. Good job.
It can sometimes be intimidating to use color in a space, but one way we kept it from being too overwhelming was by using different tones of the same color. You have a pale green, a vibrant green, and a pastel, and they all work great together.
One of the standout elements in this room is the curtain wall, and especially when it's this long, it can add a lot of drama to the room.
What we try to demonstrate with this project is how adding objects to a space can really add dimension and personality.
And make you happy.
To achieve that, we played with color, we juxtaposed different eras, and balanced different shapes and proportions.
The best part about this is that really anyone can do it. But if you need a little help, there's always our book.